Hi guys. So today I'm gonna explain the conceptual genesis of funnel analysis through this presentation. So let's quickly start the presentation. So it's all about the first slide is about the understanding the metaphorical journey. So think like you are a detective tracking all the complex investigation. There is a detective which follows a suspect's path, that's called funnel analysis, which tracks the customer's journey from first to the final purchase. And it's not a linear process, it's a nuanced explanation of human decision making. Yeah. So the second slide is all about the funnel metaphor matters. So we empower organizations to fastly collaborate, thinking to further deep drive workplace innovation. And also by closing the loop and leveraging agile frameworks, we can help business grow organically and faster. A consumer find mindset. And also the funnel is not just a simple visualization, it's a powerful analytical framework that reveals the intricate psychological and behavioral patterns of customers. If you think it's his behavior is like a river system, some starts strong but never reach the ocean. And also some tributaries merge and gain strength. Some paths encounter obstacles but they redirect their flow. In the same way, we have our own empower organizations to collaborate and all. So this slide is about the funnel stages and the psychological landscape. So the stage one is awareness. Awareness is nothing but the first stage of recognition. What are the things that require for this awareness? Psychological dynamics. So imagine if you are walking through a crowded marketplace, suddenly there is something that catches your eye. It's like a vibrant and an intriguing sound, and also it's a unique product. So this is called the awareness stage. So what triggers you to capture that attention? In marketing, the vast landscape of information, capturing a potential customer's attention requires a lot of understanding that the brains intricate and filter them, and also we need those mechanisms. So through all these trigger points, there are specialized techniques that break through mental barriers, compelling individuals to pass and engage in this awareness stage. So, what is stage 2? It's nothing but the interest, the curiosity of cultivation. So, how can we cultivate this curiosity to the customer? That's nothing but there is a psychological transformation from observing passively to activate exploration. It's like a seed of interest taking to the root of the customer's mind. So, what is intricate engagement mechanisms? It's nothing but information seeking behavior, cognitive pattern matching, relevance evaluation, and also personal context integration, etc. So, what is engagement depth indicators in this particular stage? It's nothing but the depth of content consumption by a customer and the quality of interaction and also the emotional investment and problem solution alignment. So these are the things that will be there in the stage 2, which is called psychological landscape. And what is stage 3? Stage 3 is nothing but the consideration, the analytical evaluation. Think like what is analytical evaluation? Imagine you are standing in a marketplace comparing different options, like each piece of information becomes a weight on internal scale. So there are some layers in these evaluation. They are like cognitive evaluation layers, which are based on rational analysis, emotional resonance, social validation, and risk assessment, and personal value alignment, etc. And there is also a stage called strategic information processing. In these we can just like have some processes like called comparative analysis, feature benefit mapping, and social proof integration. And there is a psychological risk mitigation in these two. So this is all about the stage 3 and stage 4. Now we move to the stage 4. What is the stage 4? The decision preparation. So this is called like the most important stage. The customer moves from passive consideration to active decision preparation. It's like a traveler planning a journey, weighing every detail. So in this, the most critical psychological dynamics are overcoming decision paralysis, reducing cognitive friction, and building confidence and addressing the potential concerns in that. And also there are some indicators called conversion readiness indicators. So it's all about the detailed product exploration, specific inquiry generation, and creating some solution visualization, and also an emotional commitment building. So this is like the most important step, and this is like it's all about this decision preparation. So stage 5, which is conversion, so which is also called as the transformation moment. So how does a customer can be like transformed? This is where the potential transforms into actual, like a caterpillar becoming a butterfly. The customer crosses a critical threshold. It is also called as conversion. So what is the most complex thing is in this conversion? It's the emotional commitment, the financial decision making, and trust validation, and psychological reward anticipation. So what are the barriers in the construction of this? The friction point elimination, trust reinforcement, immediate value communication, and psychological safety creation. So these all about conversion. These called stage 5. Now we are moving to the next step, that is advanced analytics dimensions. Mm. Psychological segment analysis. Segmentation goes beyond demographic data. It's all about understanding. So what we gonna understand? The cognitive processing patterns and the emotional decision making triggers and the individual journey variations. So we can have a predictive model here, so that's called like beyond traditional analytics. So imagine having a crystal ball that reveals customer behavior. So predictive modeling uses machine ML algorithms, which are called as machine learning algorithms, and behavior pattern recognition, and probabilistic decision mapping, which is like using a probability or etc. And there is contextual intelligence integration, which is more on the science side. And also there are some strategies which are like practical wisdom, such as cognitive extensions. Analytics perform platforms aren't just softwares, they are cognitive amplification tools that help businesses. So how do they help to these businesses? So they understand hidden behavioral patterns, and also they identify psychological friction points, and they create personalized interaction strategies and develop empathetic engagement models. So these are all about the advanced analytical dimensions. So what is practical wisdom tools as a extension? So as I said earlier, yeah, what is this learning approach? Like in funnel analysis, if you think it's a dynamic living system, we can learn constant observation, interactive refinement, and adaptive strategy development, and psychological insight and yeah, let me conclude. So this is all about the funnel analysis, which I try to explain as much as possible. Hope you guys understand, and these are all the 5 stages in this. Yeah, thank you very much.